Hi, I'm Shanae with WTI. So today I wanted to show you the product that I've been using to make my brows go from looking like this to this using this micro brow pencil from NYX. So as you can see, I have really thin brows. So I've tried so many different products from pencils and pomades to try and achieve more fuller and more natural looking brows. And as far as pencils go, this one is hands down the best one that I've tried so far. And I think the reason for that is because of how thin the pencil is. So it's a retractable pencil and it allows you to create some really precise hairline strokes. So that way you can shape your brows exactly the way you want them and you can fill them in a way that looks natural, so that way they don't look colored in. The formula is fantastic. I find that it applies really smoothly and it also has great pigment. The shade that I use is brunette. I also find that it's long lasting. I can put it on in the morning and I find that it stays put throughout the day, even on my oily skin. As well, I also really like the spoolie on the end of the pencil. It's a very useful tool in helping you to fill in your brows. Like I said, I've tried so many different products for my brows, and this pencil really stands out because it does such a great job at getting my brows to look exactly the way I want them. So give this a try. I think you're going to love it, and that's my point of view.